Make sure you stand till the end, guys. We'll share common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in damages. Stay with us, we'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford Escape, that generation right here from year 2013 to year 2019. If you have one of those, if you need to find where the Bluetooth phone fuse is located, you have up to 5 fuses that you need to check in 2 different fuse boxes. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them, where you can buy cheap parts and tools, that way do not waste money and time, why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that, guys, will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. If you have that generation Ford Escape from year 2013 to 2019, this specifically is pre-facelifted version, this is the facelifted version. There will be some minor differences, we'll talk about that, but we'll make a video about every single possible fuse, relay, why we do that. Let's say, guys, you're down the road in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where the fuse for fuel pump or engine starter is located, or relay for radiator fan. You can just search that on our channel, watch the video for less than 1 or 2 minutes, find out where it is, replace it in your back on the road. We do that to save you money, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. And we guys have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels as well that can save you more than thousands of dollars in future repairs. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time, we will share the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So guys, Bluetooth phone fuses, where you can find them, we will demonstrate on that generation Ford Escape right here. That's the same generation, that's the model before the facelift, that's after the facelift, but it will work for both. You guys have multiple fuse boxes, but today we will work in 2 of them. And where we go, first we open the driver door, the passenger door, excuse me. On the passenger side under the dash, on the bottom of the dash, if you see, on the bottom of the glove box you have soft carpet liner, attaches with 2 round turning knobs. Unscrew them, pull that carpet liner out. Behind it you have a fuse box that will look like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. Here we'll need to check 4 fuses, then we need to go to a different fuse box and check 1 more. Oh, and by the way, if you need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools for Ford Escape or any car at a good price, quick shipping, we will put a link in the description of the video below. Check it out, you can save quite a bit of money. Here we need to, guys, check now, okay, fuse number 67. The fuse number is printed in the top right corner next to the fuse. You need to check fuse number 79, fuse number 81, right here, and fuse number 88. Then you need to open the trunk. In the trunk, guys, you have a cover on the side, pull that cover and you have another fuse box. Here you need to check fuse number 23. We're talking about this fuse right here, that's for the Bluetooth phone as well. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching, see you next time.